there, everyone. It's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy Saturday. Welcome to my first project for Stamp Anything using the How Far I'll Go stamp set. It's Moana themed, and that was the release for December. So I was like, oh, I'm not going to make any Christmas cards with this set. Well, this idea came to me. So that's what we're doing today. So Pua and Hei Hei are going to be driving Santa's sleigh. Now, this kind of came from, I always say, hey, hey, it's sunny today, or hey, hey, we're having donuts today. Like, I say these little cheers all the times about the most random things. And I was like, hey, it's Christmas today. And I thought, oh gosh, now I have to make a Christmas. I have to make a Christmas card with Hei Hei. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So I am coloring Pua first, and I'm just using some darker cool grays and then a couple of pinks or reds. I will have the colors later for you, so you can take a screenshot and you'll have them. Simple coloring. And I couldn't remember if he was white or if he was gray. So I pulled up a picture of him from the new movie and used that as a reference. So, geez, I think he turned out so cute. I think I put his eye on the wrong side. Oh, well, it's too late. I thought I was looking at a mirror image, but I wasn't looking at a mirror image. Was I looking at a mirror image? I honestly don't know. So for Hei Hei, he had more colors than Pua. So I used several BGs, and I used a yellow and an orange to color his plume. Is that what it's called on top of a rooster? Oh Lord, I don't remember. Anyway, color his thing at the top. Doing really simple shading, really simple coloring. That's not really the focus of the card, but I wanted to make sure that they looked like their characters. And here are the colors I used. So if you want to pause this and take a screenshot, you can. So I decided to make my own background today, and I am using the tree and the gift stamps from the Treat Yourself release that came out last month, the one with all the elves. And I've mounted them on an acrylic block, and I'm just kind of doing random stamping. Here I sped it up to like 20 times speed, because I was like, this is going to take forever if you guys watch it. So I was just making sure that I was turning my block around so everything went in different directions. I decided to stick with just a couple of colors for this. So I'm doing R46 and 22. I am doing BG15, then YGO9, and then I can't remember what I used for the yellow, but so I'm coloring I'm trying to get 4 of the colors on the page. So I'm doing it in a mix of, some of them are the bows and some of them are the presents. Now I realized that I had been coloring the bow and the top of the present the exact same color, and I was like, I'm not redoing this. So we just went with it. Now, if you saw my 20 non-traditional holiday card colors or whatever, this was one of those. Red, green, aqua, and pink. So much fun. Just a contemporary kind of color story. Something different than your traditional red and green. You guys know me. If you know me, I don't love traditional Christmas colors at all. My tree is purple and silver, although we didn't put it up this year. And now I'm regretting it. I'm doing this voiceover, and this video is going up on the 21st. I'm not putting up a tree now. No way. No, thank you. So I'm using the YGO9 to color the tree. I'm trying to leave the little ornaments blank so I can add some color to there. But a couple of times they got covered up. You guys know I have RA, and at some point during the day, my hands will get a little shaky. And I do my best to stay inside the lines, and sometimes it just doesn't happen, and that's okay. We're going to cover it up anyway. So yeah, I'm like, oh, I miss not putting up a Christmas tree. And then yesterday I went and got my nails done, and they had the most gorgeous tree. I'm like, damn, that's pretty. It had like a light rose gold. It had regular gold. It had some silver. It had some white. And I am not one who normally likes to mix metals, but I was like, I kind of want to add some copper ornaments to our tree next year. We'll have to wait and see what happens. I mean, I didn't even put it up this year. I'm kind of putting the cart before the horse. And I have a second one that goes in the dining room. I don't know what I was thinking. Clearly, I was thinking I have more energy than I actually do. What we're going to do next year is we're going to put that tree up before Thanksgiving like I wanted to do this year, so I would have it up and not have to try to survive a 3-year-old who will be 4 by the time we get to the next holiday. Whew, low. So I'm going over the ornaments on the tree with the markers that I used, and now I'm bringing in BG11. If you've been with me forever, you know this is what I like to do when I'm doing a 1-layer card or a 1-layer panel, is I like to go around each of the items with a very light BG. It's either BG or a blue, and that's to kind of just make them stick out just a little bit. I'm not really trying to add a drop shadow, I don't think. I think I'm just trying to make them stand out a little bit. We may play with shadows going forward in the new year. I asked in yesterday's video what you want to see going forward. Several of you mentioned, shop my stash, and I feel like that's what Project Use Your Stuff is. But I also can figure out something else to go with it. I'm going to bring back Crafty Roulette, maybe, sort of, I'm thinking. So I mentioned this before. I'm going to bring in some gel pen. I mentioned this before, but Mary Gunn does Crafty Roulette, and we actually started ours at around the same time. Mine is not for the community. Mine is for me to use my own stuff. So the way I did it, I'll try to remember to link it in the description box down below, but I randomly got a stamp set and a pattern paper pack and then a design type, and then I was off from there. So yeah. Okay, so this is not available, but this is using your stash. This sleigh was from the Grinch. I don't remember what the Grinch box was called, but it's no longer available. But any kind of Santa's sleigh will work. You can find one online, like a coloring page, and then just print it out and cut it out and trace it on a piece of paper if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be this at all. I regret using this glitter paper because it's got a lot of gold in it, so it doesn't look red. But yeah, and then I was like, wait a minute, I thought I picked the one that was solid. Yeah, no. So I brought in some washi tape to put it on the back because I was like, no, it was supposed to be solid. I can never tell, you guys. I really can't tell ever in my life. So all of that is going to get cut out, and I almost said Timon and Pua, my Lord, Pua and Hei Hei. I'm going to bring in a note card. I get these off Amazon. They're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So they're A2 sized card bases, but I believe they're called note cards on Amazon. So we're breaking out the big Mamma Jamma. This, if you remember, this is how I used to store the smaller stamp sets that we got before we moved to the 6 by 8. So I mentioned, I was like, hey, it's Christmas today. Well, there is a couple of sentiments from the Grinch box that I kind of thought would work together, and I'll show you that in just a second. We're going to start with Santa's sack because I had them in the sleigh, and I was like, they need something else with them because they just felt like they were being swallowed whole. And then I remembered that we had this stamp. Okay, I'm about to do something that's going to make some of you cry. I'm going to cut this stamp. I'm going to cut it. I wanted to say, hey, hey, it's Christmas Day, and then it says hooray. So I'm basically piecing 3 different sentiments together. Now, in doing this, just know that you can but they will stamp together because they will fit together like a puzzle piece. So don't be afraid. So I just kind of bend this and pull it just a little bit so I make sure that I cut exactly where I want to. This is the worst footage ever. But I just cut right after, I believe it, is it a comma? I don't remember. So don't pay any attention to the left, but that's what it's going to look like because I was like, oh, I'll just cut it out like, what is that called? Like a collage, and then I hated it. So I was like, no, we'll do something else. Okay, for Santa sacks, I'm using E44, E43, and E41. I wanted a very kind of khaki kind of more cool tone color for Santa's sack, and I'm just adding the darkest where the lines are. Yeah. And then for the teddy bear, I used 15, 13, and 11. I just wanted a different tone of brown than we had with the bag and what we had with the tree. And then the rest of them, I'm using the exact same colors that I used before. So R46, BG15, and then R22. And I think Y18 for the star. I don't remember. A yellow. I almost put, what's it called? Gel pen on that. I was like, no, Misty, you're not going to remember, and then you're going to smear it all over the place. So I thought it would be fun to have a heart behind them, because again, they were getting swallowed by the sleigh, but there was also that pattern behind them, and I need something to ground them. And I thought, ooh, a heart would be fun, because of course the Grinch's heart grows whatever. And I thought, okay, this red will work. Now it does mostly get covered up, and that's okay, but you can still kind of tell that it's a heart. And so I'm just adding the sleigh. Now I didn't put any adhesive on the top part of the sleigh, because I knew that I wanted to just kind of slip the bag in and then slip Pua and Hei Hei. I almost had Hei Hei hanging off the front, and maybe I should have done that. My favorite part of Moana with him is when they're in the middle of the ocean. It's so funny when he comes out from underneath the boat. That's so funny. Okay, so I am lining up. It's Christmas Day, hooray. You can see I did that there. And then I'm going to bring in the Hei Hei and stamp that separately. So it's Christmas Day, hooray is 2 stamps, and then the Hei Hei is separate. So it's Christmas. It's not Christmas Day. It's Christmas Hooray. So it's Christmas Hooray, meh, or ugh. So I wanted Hooray. So I went ahead and cut that down, and then put it on a piece of kind of that same like Coastal Cabana cardstock. And I am adding some Scotch mounting foam to the back. I double stacked some Scotch mounting foam to the Hei Hei, and then I'm going to add some shimmer pen on camera. Now off camera, I go in and I add some some rhinestones, as you can see here in the picture, but because I wanted it to look like the ellipsis was shiny. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I'm not sure what part of this release is available, so I will do my best to link anything down below. Don't forget the Stamp Anything links are affiliate links, and I earn a small commission if you make a purchase. I hope you have a good day, night, week. I hope you've survived the weekend before Christmas, and I will see you on Monday. Bye for now.